Do you have a thing for power? How about control? Well, there's nothing quite as much fun as handling all the power in a Ducati Streetfighter 1098S with a whole lot of control. And if you want the opportunity to do it, I've got it for you right here. This beautiful bike, this gorgeous 2010 Ducati Streetfighter 1098. It's not an S, this was a base, but it's built well beyond S level. As you can see there, those are Öhlins R&T forks, upgraded rotors, BST carbon fiber wheels, some gorgeous titanium hardware that's nice and safety wired, upgraded silicone Corsa hoses, upgraded Brembo brake masters, upgraded Brembo RCS clutch master, Rizoma reservoirs, CRG bar and mirrors, Rizoma grips, Öhlins damper. This thing is just loaded up. There's a bunch of Pro-Ti titanium on here. There's a ton of carbon fiber. There's a lot of protection from BellissiMoto. This is a Ducabike 6-spring racing slipper clutch, but more important, more impressive, is that real, authentic, magnesium Ducati Performance machined away lightweight engine case. Man, that's cool. There's a Rizoma oil filler cap, CNC Racing rear sets, the full Termi Racing exhaust. There's your rear BST wheel. This thing is, once again, fully loaded, and guess what? It is now available for sale at BellissiMoto. That's right. Check it out, guys. Fender eliminator, carbon rear fender. We've got an Öhlins shock and a nice lightweight drivetrain system from Superlight. DID chain, beautiful lightweight opened up billet sprocket cover, CNC Racing alternator cover. You can see some more goodies there, more BellissiMoto sliders. Well, the other side of the BellissiMoto sliders. This bike is fully serviced and ready to go, and she has just dun. How many miles on the clock? Come on, baby, show us. 24,414 miles. Yeah, that's a few, but guess what? She's a runner. Oh, and guess what? The motor? The motor's not stock. No. Yeah, and that always happens because it's a fully built up race motor. Yeah, all right, try number 3. Come on, baby. There we go. Give her just a little gas, let her stay alive for us, but check it out. More Pro-Ti titanium hardware, more Rizoma, more CNC Racing, and this motor features a lightened flywheel, high compression pistons, upgraded rods, my lord, this is a very, very mean 1098 Streetfighter. Previous owner was Vincent Chu, ex-AMA Ducati national racer. And that's back when the AMA was steeped in talent in 2002, 3, 4, and 5. My lord! This bike sounds amazing. Once again, it is available for sale. There's about $15,000 in upgrades on this bike, and you can have it complete, running and riding, fully serviced, ready to go, with a clean title in hand for a whole $16,000. Jump on our website, BellissiMoto.com, check out the listing, call us, send us some money, make it yours.